car that could be.
I don't know who sends it through the entranceway all the time.
Oh, I forgot about that. All right, let's get him this. Levi.
So we might have missed your party.
Hey, hell yeah, dude.
That's what this is it.
Hell yeah.
It hit different.
I don't want to like damage it.
Now we both got the Hot Boy posters of the Hot Boy cars, dude. At least yours has a hood, though.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.